Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful drawings, crafts ideas. So I hope we will enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos of friends. Tribes photo frame decor. Let's make a photo frame decoration. Take a plain photo frame, apply glue around the border. Now stick tri-beans one by one. You can make patterns or make different spins. Let it dry fully. Now you place your photo inside. Your beautiful handmade frame is ready. Rice like art design. Today we are making a medallion design using rice. Take a round plate or cardboard, draw a medallion pattern. Now fill the design using rice carefully. Use pin for borders and shape. Take your time to make it neat and let it dry. Complete your peaceful medallion art is ready. Rice and bean photo bottle art. Take a clean glass water. Now carefully fill it with layer of rice and dry beans. Make different color layers. Choose the water rightly. You can tie a ribbon or rope on top. The nature water decor is ready. It looks simple and stylish. Rice carving decor ideas. Weavers. Enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz, viewers.